Hey my babes, I'm back in this video with another tutorial. So I started with my eyebrows line with a brown pencil. It's usually much better with a brown pencil, but if you like you can mix it a little bit at the end. So we go on with a lighter shade concealer to clean up underneath the eyebrows. Next we blend in, we don't allow it to dry. So once you conceal, you blend so that it mustn't be difficult to blend after you wait. So we go ahead to conceal the upper part of the brows, and then now we move on to concealer. I'm moving with the remaining concealer on my brush as the base of my eyeshadow. So I'm going in with this Mermaid palette, guys. This is a very good palette. So we start up with a bit darker shade, after which I go ahead with this transition eyeshadow color. This you can use any transition eyeshadow color. Then I prefer this one that is a little bit reddish. And then I move on with gold, guys, golden color. Make sure if you have hooded eyes, you go in with your crease, just on your crease. Apply it just on your crease. So if you have hooded eyes, guys, apply that lighter color just on your crease, don't move up. And then I go ahead to apply my eyeliner and then my mascara. Yeah, I stick on my eyelashes and I move ahead with my sunscreen. Apply my sunscreen and then apply my under eyes, guys. Very important, very important. So now we move on to our foundation. I'm using L'Oreal Infallible foundation, guys, and then I'm gonna go in with this Fit Me concealer for my under eyes to just lighten them up. Yeah, this is how you highlight your under eyes, guys. Make sure you highlight in a triangular shape. Yeah, and then I contour my forehead, my jawline, my nose line. When contouring the nose line, guys, be very careful, because if not, you'll mess up the shape of your nose. And also blend properly to avoid harsh lines around the nose. Now I warm up my jaws with this blush, and then I move on to the highlighted points with my bronzer. I make sure I use my finger on my nose, guys, and I highlight just 2 points, the tip of my nose and that midpoint in between my two eyes. And then I highlight my brow bone, very important. Go up to line your lips with the brown pencil, of course, I love that. And then I'll be going in with the red lipstick. Red, guys, I know red suits me, I don't know about you. And then look at me, oh, beautiful me, confidence back. Confidence, and see you in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.